Welcome to the installation overview video of the NeverFreeze snow melting system for asphalt. You have several choices of how much of your driveway you can cover. Either you can cover the entire driveway, or for power and energy efficiency, you can do just the tire tracks as we show in this example video. The variety of widths that the mats come in allow you to optimize the perfect balance of coverage and energy use. Before doing any project, be sure to read the manual, as this video is not an appropriate substitute. Once your area is prepared, position your mats and mark their placement on the ground. Then rough in the electrical connections and get all the lead wires run into the conduits into your electrical junction box. The junction box can be positioned either outside or inside. Once the electrical and sensor work is complete and the mats are in place, you can start covering up the system with asphalt. You can make sure that the heating mats are not damaged by always having a layer of asphalt between any of the machinery that will run over the top, and making sure that you use the lightest machinery available. Always keep track of where the sensor sleeve is positioned for the ground temperature and moisture sensor. The sensor installation is completed after the asphalt is installed and cured. As the asphalt is being applied, be sure that the heating mat is laying flat on the ground. Your sensor will most likely be covered up by the asphalt during the asphalt application process. It will have to be exposed during the installation process while the asphalt is hot in order to be able to position the sensor into the sleeve after the asphalt cures. We recommend using a brightly colored marker or flag to remind that the sensor still needs to be installed, as well as to make sure that it's noticeable during the asphalt installation process. Depending on the type of paving equipment that is used, you may have the ability to position the tire track heating mat in between either the treads or the wheels of the equipment. Again, make sure that no equipment directly runs over the heating system. Once the final electrical connections are made, all you have to do is wait for the snow and enjoy the snow melting system in action.